firewall between local network and internet with DMZ. In this configuration, we are placing the IIS into the militarized zone, but in this case, we are using public IPs. This is called flush, and these rules make that possible. It consists in deleting all the rules created before so we can create new ones. Then we establish the policies so these packages can get through. The filters start here. The local host is left, for example, local connections to MySQL. We have the access to the firewall from the local network with this rule. Then we make the masking of the local network and the DMZ, and we activate the forwarding bit. And the activation of this is important to accomplish this configuration. Also, it's important to mention that this part is the interface connected to the router. Now, with this rule, we allow making forward to the packages of the firewall. In other words, we let the machines get out through the firewall. Then we allow the access from the outside to the ports 80 and 443 of the DMZ. We allow the passage from the DMZ to the database on the LAN with these rules. And then we allow the opening of the terminal server of the DMZ from the LAN, doing it one way and the other, because then we are closing the DMZ to the firewall itself. And then we close the DMZ access to the firewall. Now we close the unwanted access from the outside. We close the well-known range ports, and also it's important to mention that those zeros right here means that it is any network. And finally, we close the manager port web. Now we can copy and paste these rules in this console. And with this last rule, we can see the result of the rails before. This is the result.